Welcome back. In this session, we begin with system of linear equations. Theory of solution of system of homogeneous system of linear equation is the content of this session. Method of finding solution of system of homogeneous linear equations using the theory of matrices will be discussed in the next session. System of linear equations and solution. A system of m linear equations in n unknowns x1, x2, etc. xn is a set of equations of the following form, where the coefficients a, j, k's and b, j's are real numbers. a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus etc. plus a1n xn is equal to b1. a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus etc. plus a2n xn is equal to b2 etc. am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus etc. plus amn xn is equal to bm. Equation number 1. The system of equations 1 is said to be homogeneous if all the bj are 0. Otherwise, it is said to be non-homogeneous. A solution of the system 1 is any set of values of x1, x2, etc. xn which satisfy simultaneously the m equations. When the system has a solution, it is said to be consistent. Otherwise, the system is said to be inconsistent. A consistent system has either a unique solution or infinitely many solutions. Example 1. The system x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus y is equal to 11 is consistent and has the unique solution x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Definition. Two systems of linear equations having the same number of unknowns are called equivalent if every solution of either system is a solution of the other. Remark. If we are given with a system of equations, then another system of equations equivalent to it is obtained by applying one or more of the following transformations: interchanging any two of the equations, multiplying any equation by any non-zero real number, or adding to any equation a constant multiple of another equation. Usually, to solve a consistent system of equations, we replace the given system by an equivalent system of prescribed form. This is illustrated in the coming examples. Representing system of equations using metric equation. The system of equations 1 can be expressed as a single metric equation Ax is equal to b, equation number 2, where A is equal to matrix A11, A12, etc. A1n, A21, A22, etc. A2n, etc. AM1, AM2, etc. AMN. X is equal to column matrix x1, x2, etc. xn and B is equal to column matrix b1, b2, etc. bm. A column metric x is a solution to the metric equation 2 if it satisfies the metric equation. This n by 1 column matrix is regarded as a solution of the system of equation 1 because in that case the values of x1, x2, etc. xn simultaneously satisfy the m equations in the system 1. In this session, we consider the solution of system of homogeneous equations and in the next session that of system of non-homogeneous equations. System of homogeneous equations. A homogeneous system of m linear equations in n unknowns x1, x2, etc. xn is a set of equations of the form a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus etc. plus a1n xn is equal to 0, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus etc. plus a2n xn is equal to 0, etc. am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus etc. plus amn xn is equal to 0. Equation number 3, where the coefficients a, j, k's are real numbers. The above system of equations can be expressed as a single metric equation Ax is equal to 0. Equation number 4, where A is equal to matrix A11, A12, etc. A1n, A21, A22, etc. A2n, etc. AM1, AM2, etc. AMN. X is equal to column metric x1, x2, etc. xn and 0 is equal to column metric 0, 0, etc. 0, m by 1. A, x, 0 are m by n by 1, m by 1 matrices respectively over the field of real numbers. X is equal to 0 is equal to column metric 0, 0, etc. 0, m by 1 is obviously a solution called the trivial solution of the metric equation 3. Theorem 1. The set of solutions of the equation 4 is a subspace of the vector space VNR of n by 1 column matrices with elements from the field R of real numbers. Proof. If x1, x2 be any two solutions of equation 4, we have Ax1 is equal to 0, equation number 5, and Ax2 is equal to 0, equation number 6. Now, for any two members K1, K2 of R, K1 x1 plus K2 x2 is equal to K1 Ax1 plus K2 Ax2 by the property of matrices, which is equal to K1 0 plus K2 0 using 5 and 6, which is equal to 0. This implies that K1 x1 plus K2 x2 is also a solution. Hence, it follows that the set of solutions of a homogeneous system of linear equations in n unknowns over R is a subspace of the vector space VNR of n by 1 column matrices with real entries. This completes the proof. We now show that if the rank of the coefficient metric A is R, then the dimension of the solution subspace of VNR is n minus R. For this, it is enough to show that there exists a set of n minus r linearly independent solutions such that every possible solution is a linear combination of the same. Theorem 2. The number of linearly independent solutions of the equation Ax is equal to 0 is n minus r, where n denotes the number of unknowns and r is the rank of the m by n metric A. Proof. The metric A with rank R has R linearly independent columns. Without any loss of generality, we assume that it is the first R columns which are linearly independent. For it only amounts to renaming the components of X. Let A is equal to C1, C2, etc. CR, CR plus 1, etc. Cn. So that the equation Ax is equal to 0 is equivalent to metric C1, C2, etc. Cn into column metric x1, x2, etc. xn, which is equal to 0. That is x1 C1 plus x2 C2 plus etc. plus xn Cn is equal to 0. Equation number 7. Each of the columns CR plus 1 etc. Cn is a linear combination of the first R columns C1 etc. Cr. Hence, there are relations of the following form. Cr plus 1 is equal to K11 C1 plus K12 C2 plus etc. plus K1R Cr. Cr plus 2 is equal to K21 C1 plus K22 C2 plus etc. plus K2R Cr etc. Cn is equal to Kp1 C1 plus Kp2 C2 plus etc. plus Kpr Cr. Equation number 8, where P is equal to n minus r. The above system can be written as K11 C1 plus K12 C2 plus etc. plus K1R Cr minus Cr plus 1 plus 0 Cr plus 2 plus etc. plus 0 Cn, which is equal to 0. K21 C1 plus K22 C2 plus etc. plus K2R Cr plus 0 Cr plus 1 minus Cr plus 2 plus etc. plus 0 Cn, which is equal to 0, etc. Kp1 C1 plus Kp2 C2 plus etc. plus Kpr Cr plus 0 Cr plus 1 plus 0 Cr plus 2 plus etc. minus Cn, which is equal to 0. Equation number 9. Comparing 7 with 9, we see that x1 is equal to column metric K11, K12, etc. K1R minus 1, 0, etc. 0. x2 is equal to column metric k21, k22, etc. k2r 0, minus 1, etc. 0, etc. xn minus r is equal to column metric kp1, kp2, etc. kpr 0, 0, etc. 0. Equation number 10 are n minus r solutions of the given equation. We now show that these n minus r solutions form a linearly independent system. We rewrite these solutions as x1, x2, etc. xn minus r. Let k1 x1 plus etc. plus kn minus r xn minus r is equal to 0. Then using 10 we have metric k1 k11 plus k2 k21 plus kn minus r kp1, k1 k12 plus k2 k22 plus kn minus r kp2, etc. k1 k1r plus k2 k2r plus kn minus r kpr minus k1 minus k2 etc. minus kn minus r is equal to column metric 0, 0, etc. 0, 0, 0, etc. 0. Considering the r plus 1th, r plus 2th, etc. nth components of the column matrix on the left, we may see that minus k1 is equal to 0, etc. minus kn minus r is equal to 0. That is k1 is equal to 0, etc. kn minus r is equal to 0. Hence, it follows that x1, x2, etc. xn minus r form a n minus r linearly independent solution vectors. This completes the proof. Theorem 3. If the rank of the coefficient metric A is r and n denotes the number of unknowns, then every solution of Ax is equal to 0 is some suitable linear combination of the n minus r linearly independent solutions x1, x2, etc. xn minus r. That is, the general solution x of the system is given by x is equal to k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus etc. plus kn minus r xn minus r, where k1, k2, etc. kn minus r are arbitrary numbers. Proof. By the previous theorem, since the rank is r, the given system has n minus r linearly independent solutions. We take these n minus r linearly independent solutions as x1, x2, etc. xn minus r, defined in the proof of theorem 2. Let x with the components x1, etc. xn be also a solution. Consider now the column matrix x plus xr plus 1 x1 plus xr plus 2 x2 plus etc. plus xr plus n minus r xn minus r is equal to metric x1 plus xr plus 1 k11 plus xr plus 2 k21 plus xn kp1, x2 plus xr plus 1 k12 plus xr plus 2 k22 plus xn kp2, etc. xr plus xr plus 1 k1r plus xr plus 2 k2r plus xn kpr, xr plus 1 minus xr plus 1, xr plus 2 minus xr plus 2, etc. xn minus xn. Expression 11. Being a linear combination of solutions by theorem 1, the vector in expression 11 is also a solution. Also note that the last n minus r components of the column matrix in 11 are all 0. Let the first r components be Z1, etc. Zr. Since a column matrix with components Z1, etc. Zr 0, etc. 0, 0 is a solution, from equation 7 we have Z1 C1 plus etc. plus Zr Cr is equal to 0. But since C1 etc. Cr is a linearly independent system, we have Z1 is equal to 0, etc. Zr is equal to 0. Thus, 11 is the 0 vector implying that x is equal to minus xr plus 1 x1 minus etc. minus xn minus r. So that every solution x is a linear combination of the linearly independent system of n minus r solutions x1 etc. xn minus r. This completes the proof. Corollary 1. The equation Ax is equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution if and only if the rank R of A is less than the number n of its columns. In other words, the system Ax is equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution if and only if the rank of A is less than the number of unknowns. Proof. Being a zero matrix, the trivial solution is not linearly independent. Hence, by the previous theorem, the system of equation have non-trivial solution if and only if n minus r greater than 0. That is, if and only if r less than n. Now, the following result follows immediately. Corollary 2. If A is a non-singular matrix, then the equation Ax is equal to 0 has only the trivial solution. Corollary 3. The equation Ax is equal to 0 possesses a non-trivial solution if and only if A is a singular matrix. The content of the next corollary is also the same as that of above. Corollary 4. A necessary and sufficient condition that values not all 0 may be assigned to the n variables x1, x2, etc. xn so that the n homogeneous equations ai1 x1 plus ai2 x2 plus etc. plus ain xn is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, 2, etc. n hold simultaneously is that the determinant aij n by n is equal to 0. Proof. Let A is equal to matrix aij n by n be the coefficient matrix of the system of equations. Condition is necessary. Suppose the given system of equations possesses a non-trivial solution. To prove the proposition by contradiction, let determinant aij not equal to 0. Then the rank A is equal to n. Consequently, the number of linearly independent solutions of the given equation is n minus n is equal to 0. Thus, the given equations possess non-linearly independent solutions. That is, the trivial solution is the only solution. But this contradicts our hypothesis that the given equations possess a non-zero solutions. Hence, we must have determinant aij not equal to 0. Condition is sufficient. Let the determinant aij is equal to 0. Then we have to prove that the equations must possess a non-trivial solution. Since determinant aij is equal to 0, we have rank A less than n. Let rank A is equal to m. Then the given equations have n minus m linearly independent solutions. But a set of linearly independent solutions cannot contain the 0 solution. Therefore, the given equations must have a non-zero, non-trivial solution. If R is equal to rank of A less than n, which is equal to number of unknowns, then the system has infinitely many solutions. We can assign arbitrary values to n minus r unknowns and determine the remaining r unknowns in terms of these n minus r arbitrary values. Example 4. Solve the system of equations lambda x plus y plus z is equal to 0. X plus lambda y plus z is equal to 0. X plus y plus lambda z is equal to 0. Solution. Clearly, the system has the trivial solution. We search if there is any other solution. By corollary 4, the system has non-trivial solution if and only if the determinant of the coefficient matrix lambda 1 1 1 lambda 1 1 1 lambda is 0. That is, when lambda cube minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. By inspection, lambda is equal to 1 is the root of the cubic equation. Now, to find the quadratic equation, we use the following synthetic division method. This gives the quadratic equation lambda square plus lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Thus, has roots lambda is equal to 1 minus 2. Case 1. For lambda is equal to 1, the metric is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, whose rank obviously is 1. Hence, the system has 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2 independent solutions. Also, the system of equations reduces to the single equation x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Putting y is equal to a and z is equal to b, where a and b are arbitrary real numbers, the solution to the system is x is equal to metric minus a minus b, a, b, where a and b are arbitrary real numbers. Case 2. For lambda is equal to minus 2, the metric is minus 2 1 1 1 minus 2 1 1 1 minus 2. By elementary row transformations, metric minus 2 1 1 1 minus 2 1 1 1 minus 2 is equivalent to metric 1 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 1 1 by R3 1, which is equivalent to 1 1 minus 2 0 minus 3 3 0 3 minus 3 by R2 1 of minus 1 R3 1 of 2, which is equivalent to 1 1 minus 2 0 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 3 by R2 of minus 1 by 3, which is equivalent to metric 1 0 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 0 0 by R1 2 minus 1 R3 2 minus 3. Hence, rank is 2, and so the system has 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1 independent solution. Also, the system of equations reduces to the system metric 1 0 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 0 0 into metric x y z, which is equal to metric 0 0 0. That is equivalent to the system of equations x minus z is equal to 0 and y minus z is equal to 0. Putting z is equal to a, where a is an arbitrary real number, we have x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to a, and the solution is x is equal to column metric a. Example 5. Discuss for all values of k the solution of the following system of equations: 2x plus 3ky plus 3k plus 4z is equal to 0, x plus k plus 4y plus 4k plus 2z is equal to 0, x plus 2 into k plus 1 y plus 3k plus 4z is equal to 0. Solution. The given system of equations is equivalent to the single metric equation metric 2 3k 3k plus 4 1 k plus 4 4k plus 2 1 2k plus 2 3k plus 4 into metric x y z, which is equal to 0. Equation number 12. The coefficient metric is metric 2 3k 3k plus 4 1 k plus 4 4k plus 2 1 2k plus 2 3k plus 4 is equivalent to metric 1 k plus 4 4k plus 2 2 3k 3k plus 4 1 2k plus 2 3k plus 4 by R21, which is equivalent to 1 k plus 4 4k plus 2 0 k minus 8 minus 5k 0 k minus 2 minus k plus 2 by R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. The given system possesses only the trivial solution when rank is 3, that is, when the determinant of the above metric is not 0. We will see this in case 3 below. The given system possesses non-trivial solution when the rank of the above metric is less than 3, that is, when determinant of the last metric is 0. This occurs when determinant of k minus 8 minus 5k, k minus 2 minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. That is when k minus 8 into minus k plus 2 plus 5k into k minus 2 is equal to 0. That is when 4k square minus 16 is equal to 0. That is when k is equal to plus or minus 2. Case 1. When k is equal to 2, then the last metric becomes metric 1, 6, 10, 0, minus 6, minus 10, 0, 0, 0, which is equivalent to 1, 6, 10, 0, 1, 5 by 3, 0, 0, 0, which is equivalent to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 5 by 3, 0, 0, 0. Hence, the given system is equivalent to the following system. Metric 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 5 by 3, 0, 0, 0 into metric x, y, z, which is equal to metric 0, 0, 0, which gives the system of equation x is equal to 0, y plus 5 by 3 z is equal to 0. We can assign arbitrary values to n minus r, which is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1 variables. Put z is equal to a, where a is an arbitrary real number. Then we have the solution. Metric x, y, z is equal to metric 0, minus 5 by 3 a. Case 2. When k is equal to minus 2, the metric becomes metric 1, 2, minus 6, 0, minus 10, 10, 0, minus 4, 4, which is equivalent to metric 1, 2, minus 6, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 4, 4, which is equivalent to 1, 0, minus 4, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0. Hence, the given system is equivalent to the following system. Metric 1, 0, minus 4, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0 into metric x, y, z, which is equal to metric 0, 0, 0, which gives the system of equations x minus 4z is equal to 0, y minus z is equal to 0. We can assign arbitrary values to n minus r, which is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1 variables. Put z is equal to a, where a is an arbitrary real number. Then we have the solution. Metric x, y, z is equal to metric 4a, a. Case 3. The system possesses only trivial solution, that is if k not equal to 2 and k not equal to minus 2. Corollary 5. A homogeneous system of linear equations necessarily possesses a non-trivial, that is non-zero column metric solution if the number n of unknowns exceeds the number m of equations. Proof. We have m less than n. Hence, rank is r less than m less than n. Now, by the previous theorem, we obtained the result. In this session, we have introduced the system of linear equations. Theory of solution of system of homogeneous system of linear equations have been discussed in this session. Method of finding solution of system of homogeneous system of linear equations using the theory will be discussed in the next session. Definition and illustration of vector line integral have been made in this session. Before moving to the next session, let us try to answer these questions.
1. Solve completely the system of equations x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 0, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 0. 2. Find the basis of row and column null spaces of the following matrices. Matrix 1 1 1, 3 4 5, 2 3 4. Matrix 0 1 2, 2 2 3, 1 1 1. Matrix 5 2 0, minus 3 6, 1 2 3, minus 4 8, minus 3 minus 6, 2 1 2, 4 4, minus 1 minus 2 4. 3. Find the matrices x and y with a maximum number of linearly independent columns and rows respectively such that a into x equal to 0, y into a equal to 0 for the following matrices A. Matrix 2 minus 1 3, 4 minus 2 6, minus 6 3 minus 9. Matrix 2 3 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4, 3 1 3 minus 2, 6 3 0 minus 7. Matrix minus 1 7 8 25, 5 7 2 1, 3 4 1 0, 2 6 4 10, 2 5 3 7.